This is our JPRO Full Service Kit, also known as our FSK. It's going to come in this nice sturdy carrying case to keep all of your equipment safe. And included in the FSK, we'll start first with our semi-rugged tough book. This is a brand new Panasonic semi-rugged tough book that you can use and just pop open once you get your kit. Also included will be an updated adapter for you so that you've got everything you need to get connected. We've got our adapter right there, also known as an interface, and then you'll have the necessary cables you need. A 9-pin, which you'll use to get connected to the majority of your heavy-duty vehicles. And then if you're working on a Mack or Volvo specifically, we've got an OBD2 cable for those specifically. And then if you're working on any medium-duty generic, that would be our Hinos, Isuzu, or Sprinter vehicles, we've got an OBD2 cable for that as well. And to get connected to the laptop with our adapter, we've got our USB cable. And then lastly, we've got our laptop charger to make sure we're all juiced up and ready to go.